Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss topic theory of demographic transition from class 12th, chapter 2, the demographic structures of Indian society from book 1, Indian society. Earlier we discussed about meaning and definition of demography, types of demography, formal demography, social demography. We also discussed Malthusian theory of population growth. Now today we are going to discuss theory of demographic transition. Now before we start, let me tell you the theory of demography included both theories, Malthusian and demographic transition. A very important topic. There might be a long or short question in your board examination. So let's start. What do you mean by demographic transition? Demography means, as we all know, study of human population is a systematic study of human population, and transition means moving from one phase to another. So the demographic transition means when the population moves from one phase to another, that it is a process of change in a society's population. So it is based upon the trends in mortality, fertility, and natural increase. The theory demographic transition is a model that describes population change over time. It is based on an interpretation begun in 1929 by the American demographer Warren Thompson. He observed changes on or transitions in birth and death rate in industrialized society over the past 200 years. This theory is further developed by Frank Nortenstein in 1945. So let's start. Population growth is linked to overall level of economic development that every society follow a typical pattern of development related population growth. मीन्स पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ जो है आपकी वो डिपेंड करती है आपके कंट्री के इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर. हर सोसाइटी का अपना टिपिकल पैटर्न होता है डेवलपमेंट का रिलेटेड टू पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ. देयर आर 3 बेसिक फेजेस ऑफ पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ. फर्स्ट स्टेज, सेकेंड स्टेज एंड थर्ड स्टेज वी कैन से. फर्स्ट स्टेज आपके प्रिमिटिव स्टेज में आती है. इसमें आपके अंडर डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ लाइक आपका अफ्रीका. सेकेंड स्टेज डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज़ लाइक इंडिया, पाकिस्तान जो अभी डेवलप हो रही हैं. ठीक है. स्टेज ऑफ ट्रांजिशन, कंट्रीज आर मूविंग फ्रॉम अंडर डेवलप्ड टू डेवलप्ड. देन कम्स थर्ड स्टेज, डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज just like USA, UK, Japan also, most of the European countries. Now, what are underdeveloped countries? Stage 1. Here in stage 1, birth rate is high since people are unaware of advantage of having small families. They are not educated. Death rate is also high since health and medical facilities are not available. Therefore, population is low. So, what happened in first stage? Birth rate is high and death rate is also high. Birth rate is high due to unawareness, illiteracy, don't have any type of techniques, and you can say illiteracy over there. तो birth rate आपकी high होगी आपकी during फर्स्ट स्टेज. मोस्टली आपके एग्रेरियन इकोनॉमी में डिपेंड होते हैं एंड पुअर डाइट होती है. आपका सैनिटेशन सही नहीं होता, हाइजीन प्रॉब्लम है, एब्सेंस ऑफ इफेक्टिव मेडिकल एड. तो ये सारी रीज़न है. तो बर्थ रेट हाई होगी. डेथ रेट इज़ ऑल्सो हाई सिंस हेल्थ एंड मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ आर नॉट अवेलेबल. देयरफॉर पॉपुलेशन इज़ लो. जब आपकी बर्थ रेट भी हाई है, डेथ रेट भी हाई है, तो पॉपुलेशन क्या होगी? पॉपुलेशन आपकी अपने आप ही लो होगी. पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ. सेकेंड स्टेज, डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज. हियर बर्थ रेट इज़ हाई एज वी लिव इन अ patriarchal society where man decide how many children must be born and male child is preferred. इट इज़ इट कैन सीन इन इंडिया पैट्रिकल सोसाइटी होती है हमारी, जहाँ पे आपके मेल चाइल्ड को प्रेफरेंस दिया जाता है। सेकेंड रीज़न है आपका इलिटरेसी एंड पीपल आर इग्नोरेंट। डेथ रेट इज़ ऑल्सो लो सिंस हेल्थ एंड मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ आर अवेलेबल, देयरफॉर पॉपुलेशन इज़ हाई एंड रिजल्ट इज़ पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन। सो सेकेंड स्टेज में आपके क्या होता है, बर्थ रेट हाई ड्यू टू society and medical facilities become better, increase. Due to this, death rates start falling. It falls steeply because the improvement in the medical facilities, but the birth rate doesn't fall in second stage, because birth rate is something that are lot of with social factors. बर्थ रेट के साथ आपके सोशल फैक्टर्स एसोसिएटेड होते हैं. It had a lot of to do with the thinking of people. So the thinking of the society doesn't change in a day, in a year, and so it takes a lot of time. When the people become more educated, they understand better to have a small family, then we see the impact of change in the birth rate. Before that, so this is a phase when the death rate has declined due to technological development, but the birth rate has not declined. So it's take time. It start decreasing slowly by the end of the second stage. It start decreasing now the starting of the third stage, where society is developed. So what happened in second stage? Birth rate is high, but the death rate is also low. तो एज अ रिजल्ट आपका पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन होता है, पॉपुलेशन आपकी हाई होगी. सेकेंड स्टेज में आपकी डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज आती हैं, जस्ट लाइक आपका इंडिया, पाकिस्तान. हियर वन मोर टॉपिक, डेमोग्राफिक डिविडेंड. डेमोग्राफिक डिविडेंड व्हेन द वर्किंग पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीजेज मोर देन द नॉन वर्किंग पॉपुलेशन. I will discuss this topic in my forthcoming lecture in detail. Now we take developing countries third stage. Birth rate is low, people are educated and aware and use contraceptives. Birth control is popularized. तो birth rate आपका low होगा developed countries में. Death rate is also low because availability of health and medical facilities. Therefore population is low. तो डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ जो आपकी थर्ड स्टेज होती है वो आपके मोस्टली आपके डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ में ही होती है. वहाँ पे आपका बर्थ रेट लो है, डेथ रेट भी लो है, तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा, पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ है वो लो होगी. सो दिस इज़ डेमोग्राफिक ट्रांजिशन थ्योरी. व्हेन फ्रॉम फर्स्ट स्टेज वेयर बर्थ रेट और डेथ रेट बोथ हाई, you come to a stage third, where both come down, birth rate and death rate both are low. But in between these two stages, first and third stage, comes second stage, where you face population explosion, where death rate falls but the birth rate doesn't fall in the same proportion. So this is the theory of demographic transition. In short, you can say the theory of demographic transition. This theory suggests that population growth is linked to the overall level of economic development. Every society follows a typical pattern of development related population growth. There are three basic phases of population growth: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. You can say first stage, second stage and third stage. First stage आपका low growth rate due to high birth rate and high death rate. Second stage, very high growth rate due to high birth rate and low death rate. And third stage is low growth rate due to low birth rate and low death rate. Hope you understand the theory of demographic transition. Now the next topic is population explosion. Now what is population explosion? The population explosion happens because high birth rate and low death rate. Death rate are brought down relatively quickly through advanced methods of disease control, public health and better nutrition. However, it takes longer for society to adjust to change and alter its reproductive behavior to suit the new situation of relatively prosperity and longer lifespans. तो सोसाइटी को अपना माइंडसेट चेंज करने में टाइम लगता है. This kind of transition was affected in Western Europe during the late 19th and early 20th century. More or less similar pattern are followed in the less developed countries that are struggling to reduce the birth rate in keeping with the falling mortality rate. Just like India. In India, what happened? We are improving, we are developing countries. We comes in developing countries. So we are struggling to reduce the birth rate, and we also trying to reduce the mortality rate also.